little editing here for the video that you're about to watch, but I just wanted to say real quick and apologize that I'm working on the wind noise issue with GoPros, and apparently this is an issue with a lot of cameras. I've got the Hero 10, just did a little research on the old YouTubes and found out there is a wind slayer covering you can put over it that seems to be better than the actual settings on the GoPro camera itself. So you're going to hear a lot of wind noise in the video. You might hear my voice distorted too. That's because of the GoPro setting that cancels the wind, also distorts your voice. So next couple of videos, I'm going to try to turn that off, use this wind slayer accessory and see what happens. But enjoy the video.
Good fish too. I think it's a legal red. Oh yeah. I threw right downstream and let it sit there.
What about dinner?
24 inches. Nice trout. Every cast. This one feels bigger. There he is. There's a big old trout. I don't know if you guys can hear me with all this wind going on, but this looks really good up here. We got a cut going through the flats. All these flats you're seeing around here is normally a couple feet underwater, but we have a extreme low tide situation going on in the winter time. On the negative moons and where you get like 0% visibility or near 100% visibility, you have these negative low tides in the winter time. You can look on your tide charts and find them, and if you know where different holes and troughs and stuff are on the flats, you can do this too. If you look ahead, we got a little split here, and that bottom looks pretty hard over there, so I'm thinking there'll be some nice redfish laid up in here. So we'll just keep filming and see what happens here. All right, got a good tide line running right there. That's what I like to see, a little difference in tide speed. That's gonna be a good natural feeding spot right there. There he is. There he is. Right where they're supposed to be. Isn't that pretty? All right, let's go get another one. There's a whole school of them in there, so should be instant. We'll take this opportunity to talk to you about technique a little bit. If you notice with my rod tip, I'm reeling in my slack and then giving a really good pop using my wrist. See, I'm holding real high on the rod. I'm using my wrist just to give it a really good pop. That pop is what makes that shrimp snap off the bottom and look like a real shrimp. And most fish, you'll hear me say it a lot, they feel vibration. They're hunting with vibration. So when you fire that shrimp off the bottom and let it thump back on the bottom hard, you're creating a lot more vibration. And that will make the difference. You'll be fishing right next to someone using the same lure, bottom bouncing jig, and they're not bouncing it hard, and a lot of times they won't get a hit. These fish are just moving around in schools because you know, there was definitely several of them here, but they went somewhere. There he is. There he is. Oh, well, that could be. What is that? Is that a big trout? If that's a trout, oh my gosh, that's a monster. That is a monster trout. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that trout, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That might be a personal best. 28 inches in my personal best. That is huge. That is huge. I am, forgive me that I'm speechless right now. Look at the size of this trout. Let me get him in the sun. Look at that. No, he's not over 28 inches, but my goodness. What a trout. Another one. Not big trout. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Red. Pretty red. There it is. All right, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. I think I got him out.
See him top. My left side's hurt.
Ooh, that's a nice one, huh?
One thing, we can always catch a limit right here.
Look at that.
Can't we?
Yep. Cool thing is you can take a knee in these waders. It's a lot more comfortable too. Ah, another legal one. Ooh,
God,
ooh.
that's a fish.
Back your drag off.
That's a fish doing it. I can't.
That's a little too much. There you go.
That's a fish.
That's a good one. Use your... No. Did it break it? No. That was a big one.